Hey, what's up everyone? If you've been trying to learn a new language but you're tired of boring flashcards and repetitive drills, this app is going to change everything for you. This is Pingo AI, the conversational language learning app trusted by over 3 million learners worldwide. Let's dive in. Alright, first step, go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Pingo AI and hit download. It's free to get started. Once it's installed, open the app, create your account, and you're in. Takes less than a minute. Easy. Now the app is going to ask you a few quick questions. Which language do you want to learn? Pick from dozens of options: Spanish, French, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, German, Chinese, Italian, the list goes on. Then select your current level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And finally, set your goal. Business fluency, travel, casual conversation. Pingo tailors everything to you from day one. Next, pick your learning mode. If you're just starting out, go with tutor mode. You'll cover the essentials like introductions, numbers, and everyday phrases while practicing in simple conversations. If you're more advanced, jump straight into complex topics, job interviews, academic discussions, fast-paced chats, with detailed feedback on grammar, pronunciation, and expression. There's something for every level. Here's where it gets exciting. You're going to have a real, flowing conversation with an AI language partner. It guides you through realistic, everyday scenarios, ordering food, booking a hotel, making small talk, just like real life. The AI adapts to your level, uses natural vocabulary, and corrects your mistakes without ever interrupting the flow. It feels just like talking to a human tutor, without the nerves or scheduling headaches. As you speak, Pingo's advanced voice recognition listens closely. It analyzes your pronunciation and gives you precise, honest feedback, telling you exactly which sounds need work and how to fix them. You can replay native pronunciations, compare your voice side by side, and repeat phrases as many times as you need, with zero judgment. And when it comes to grammar and vocabulary, the app doesn't just flag your mistakes, it explains why something sounds off and shows you what sounds more natural. That's a game changer. In between conversations, Pingo offers short, focused lessons on grammar, tenses, vocabulary, and connectors, designed to fit into just a few minutes of your day. And here's the best part. You can create your very own custom scenarios. Want to practice a specific topic, a niche vocabulary set, or a real-life situation coming up? Build it yourself. Pingo gives you that freedom. So that's Pingo AI, real conversations, smart feedback, and a fully personalized learning experience that actually gets you speaking from day one. Download it free, set your daily reminder, and start your first conversation today. Trust me, fluency is closer than you think. Let's go.